ہیلو السلام علیکم دوستوں، کیا حال ہے؟ میرے خیال سے بالکل خیریت سے ہوں گے اور میرے چینل کو دیکھ رہے ہوں گے۔ میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں، لائک کریں اور زیادہ سے زیادہ شیئر کریں۔ ٹھیک ہے دوستوں، تو آج کا چیلنج ہم اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔ تو دیکھتے ہیں آج کا چیلنج ہمارے پاس کیا ہے۔ تو ایک سیکنڈ، آپ نے یہ بنانا ہے۔ دیکھ سکتے ہیں میرے پاس آئی فون ہے۔ او واو، آئی فون۔
I got an apple with me, and now I think it's gonna come in handy. Okay, we have the logo. Now I just need to draw the phone. I need to hurry. Bella's getting ahead of me. Those stupid pencils, they're all breaking. Mary's doesn't look so good. Mine doesn't either. I got it! I need help now. Hello? Please come. Who's she calling? You're gonna find out.
What?
Zach, draw this iPhone.
Okay.
Done. This is wonderful. You're the best artist. Time to look at your drawings. We're ready. Could you please? Bella, I'm not happy with you. Mary, you as well.
No.
Wendy, this is the best I've seen today. The iPhone is yours. It's so pretty. Sorry, but it belongs to me. Who is this?
What?
That's not important. Pop It is so relaxing. I also want to play with it.
What? No.
It's mine. I have makeup for you guys. That's not bad. Then let's start. I need a few different paints right away. Let's go. I'm going to use a whole symphony of colors. I'm gonna have to hurry to catch up with Mary, but my hair keeps getting in the way. I'm gonna braid them. Don't get distracted, Bella. I'm gonna need to borrow a couple of your brushes. What am I supposed to draw with? You won't break me, Mary. I have something that's better than brushes. It's turning out great. I know what to replace the paint with. Eyeshadow is a great replacement. I think that's a dumb idea. Wendy, all your makeup's gone. Oh no, what should I do now? Show your drawing. Time's up. Just don't look at me. Whatever you say. It didn't turn out that great. Mary, yours isn't so great either. And Bella's is fantastic. Congratulations, the makeup is yours. Not fair. Get over it, Mary. I'll be the only pretty girl here. I think you look more like a clown. Hello, Earth dwellers. I have arrived to you from outer space to bring you this huge space lollipop. So pretty. Fight for it. I'm ready. I don't think a regular brush is going to work. I need a telescope. The starry sky looks amazing. a telescope. I'm gonna try to repeat what I saw. Okay. Can't forget the stars. Your drawing looks more like a black hole. I'll show you how to make a masterpiece. First, I'm gonna draw a perfect circle. Chips! I wouldn't mind a snack. Catch, Wendy! What? Bye-bye! Come on! Take them, just don't bite me. She's so funny. She'll do anything for food. What? What's with the smudge, Wendy? No. I don't like Mary's picture either. Bella! I knew you could do it! I dreamed of this lollipop! I also have a chance to try. Where's our prize? I have it! A bubblegum machine! Cool! I knew you would like it! Draw! Susie! Look, there's a bird! She believed it. I just needed her colored pencils. You tricked me, Zach! Well, whatever. I know how to add some color to my drawing. Careful! Oh, you're smart. You're the one who gave me the idea. Time to get rid of my competition. Zach is gonna have a hard time drawing on soapy paper. Time for me to focus on work.
Oh.
Why are none of my pencils working?
Oh.
I'll try them all at once. What a failure! Stop! I have nothing to show. Emmy's work isn't bad. Zach, this doesn't make me happy. Susie, this is wonderful! Thank you! The machine is yours! I don't have any coins! Whatever. I'll get the gum with my bare hands. Oops! I think I tried too hard. New shoes! Everyone dreams of these. I would love to try them on. Super! Enough applause, get to work. I just had an idea. I'll trace my shoes on the paper. Ew, what's that smell? I need an air freshener. Ah, that's better. There's no air. There's no oxygen. Oh, this doesn't help. I need some rest. We're ready. How cute, Susie. Zach, sorry, that's not what we're looking for. Where's Emmy? Okay, the winner is Susie. These shoes are yours. Time to try them on. Oh, that smell again. I don't mind. Now you're gonna like this outfit. Wow, it's wonderful. Draw it and it's yours. I won't even try. You don't have any chance anyways. The dress is perfect for me. I was ready to argue, but my new painting will do just that. How beautiful. Just need to get rid of the extra. Emmy, those sparkles are making me sneeze. Oh no, this painting happened by accident. Susie, I'm sorry, but you've lost this round. Zach, I can see you tried. Emmy hasn't finished anything either. Well, Zach, congratulations.
What? What's that?
How? No way! But I didn't want to. Try it on, you'll like it. This is so embarrassing. Don't look at me. Don't be shy, you look wonderful. And this is your prize. So much soda pop. It can be yours if you try. I already know what to do. Watch out for my ruler. Let's go. I don't think I'm gonna get anything good out of this. I'd better just do this myself. Stupid pencils. Why do they always break? Jess, you're pushing me. Because of that, you ruined my picture. I need to let off some steam. That's better. Now I can continue. I'm sick of this. I need a bigger pencil. They're so cool. I'm falling! Today is not her day. Time's up. Impress me. So fast. I'm not done yet. Mine's ready. Doesn't look so good, Monica.
No. What?
The second picture is also a failure. But Jess really did her best. Come here, you win. Take this cup and treat yourself. I'll start with the cola. Delicious. Now I'll try the Fanta. Cool. And a little Sprite couldn't hurt. I like it so much, I want it all right now. Jess, you need to cool your jets. Oh no, the machine is gonna blow up. So wet. Help.
Okay.
At least you're not thirsty. Turn, and another turn. Hey, what are you doing? Don't you want to see the new prize? A whole truck of sweets. Exactly. And it can be yours. Ready to fight. Go for it. But all that's here is paint and some water. And this will be mine.
No!
What's this? Let go! That's mine! Ah! You splattered me! That sunny color looks really good on you. Can I have a little?
Hey! What's the matter with you?
Whatever.
What?
At least I got my paint. What should I do? I have an idea! I need really big scissors. need your shirt. The base of my drawing is done. Stop! Okay, I'm ready. What a nightmare. And mine? Looks great. Jess, you also did a good job. That reminds me of something. Oh no, that's my shirt! Sorry, I didn't think you would mind. You have a great fantasy, Jess. The prize is yours. So many sweets. I'm gonna start with the chocolates. Time to break this up. Stop! Where are you going? You can say bye-bye to your sweets. No, I'll catch them. I decided to add a little fire to our challenge. It's chili peppers!
Oh no!
It's really spicy. I'm not taking part in this.
What?
Looks like she lost her nerve. Dummy, you just had to draw a bad picture. Doing it blindfolded will be easy.
Cool! Come on!
Let's start. Red! I'm sure this is terrible.
Oh!
A failure! This painting is amazing! I'll destroy it.
Nom 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 nom.
Now it's your turn, Jill. I have an idea!
What?
What are you doing? An airplane! It'll bring back Jess! Why am I here again? Not fair! I'm ready to see your work!
Come on!
I didn't finish anything.
What?
Me too. I'm ashamed to show my picture. That doesn't look so good. So it's only fair to split the prize among the three of you.
No!
Why bring me into this? I didn't even want to come back. I think it's gonna be hot in here. I'm on fire! Don't breathe on me! Take a look at Zach! This isn't funny. A new hairdo. That's your prize. Thank you. It doesn't look so bad. Time to start. I need more red paint. And I can add some green. Oh no, I'm in trouble. Actually, highlights are really stylish. I don't think this is coming out right. But who cares? At least I'm having fun. I'll add some pink highlights. This color looks good on me. Looks like I'm the only one working. And time's up! Susie, it's time to show your painting. Mine's almost ready. Susie, let's switch. I'll give you the win. Thanks, Monica, what are these scribbles?
ہاں تو یہ کتنا شاندار بنا ہے، دیکھ سکتے ہو. ہاں تو یہ کیا تم نے پینٹنگ بنائی پر تمہارے ہاتھ میں کچھ لگا بھی نہیں. رکو 1 سیکنڈ، ہاتھ دے سکتی ہو اپنا 1 سیکنڈ. ہاں تو دیکھو میں کیا کر سکتا ہوں. او یہ کیا کیا تم نے. ہاں او یہ کیا لگا رہے ہو میرے سر پر. او یہ کیا ہوا. ہاں کتنی کیوٹ لگ رہی ہو. مجھے بہت غصہ آ رہا ہے تم پر. یہ تم نے کیا کر دیا. اب دیکھو میں کیا کرتی ہوں. اوکے دوستو، اللہ حافظ.